Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 12th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. It was another uneventful day on Wall Street. Believe it or not, the Dow 30 closed completely unchanged. That is the first time that that's happened since April of 2014. The S&P 500 was up slightly, up 4 points, while the NASDAQ was up 21, and the Russell 2000 was up 0.35. So completely flat day overall. Bonds were slightly higher. The yield on the 10-year note held steady at 1.924%. Crude down just 8 cents, another flat market, while gold was down 10 cents. So again, really nothing happening across the board. Even the US dollar, as you can see here, was very quiet today. Now, aftermarket close, well, actually, I should say there was an earnings report before market open and one after market close, both from the cannabis sector. Let's look at Cronos Group. They reported before market open, and they reported a better than expected earnings number, but their forward revenue estimate was on the lower side, and the stock pulling back 3% today, while Tilray, after market close, did report a loss, but year-over-year revenue increased fivefold. Unfortunately, so far in the after-hours trading session, it is completely flat as well. No movement whatsoever, which is a surprise, but we have a couple of other big cannabis-related stocks reporting earnings later this week. On Thursday, we get Canopy and Aurora Cannabis as well. So we'll look forward to that, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.